Jason is a 16-year-old boy who loves to read and study. He hopes to further his study in university in the future, but he comes from an underprivileged family and is unable to have an opportunity to study like other children. He needs some help from the public to receive some studying resources, materials, stationery, and lessons provided by teachers that can help him to participate in formal examinations, such as SPM, which can help him in the future. However, there is not only Jason, but also there are a lot of underprivileged children from poverty families face the same problem, which has not obtained the education due to the financial burden. We have come out 3 main ideas, which are donation of study material and seek for a volunteer. We realize that both of the idea can be combined into the website. Our main purpose for building this website is hoping that via this website, children in Childkit Foundation can benefit from our platform, especially in their education. We understand that the underprivileged children will have the issue of access to book and others reading materials due to their financial problem. Thus, we decided to create a website page about donation of book. We create the opportunities for people instead of throwing away or sell the used books. They can donate the books that they're not going to use anymore to Childkit Foundation. We also encourage schools to cooperate and join us in helping children in Childkit Foundation. Kindly fill in the information on book donation form and select the number of books that you want to donate. After this, our committee will receive your message in the inbox. Then we'll contact you. We are also accepting applications from people who want to volunteer. Individuals that want to help those children to spare their time are encouraged to participate in this program. The volunteer could be in the form of teaching these children and playing with them. So we know that the pandemic has brought a lot of inconvenience to public. The volunteers who are willing to teach the children may not be able to visit Childkit Foundation for teaching materials. The teachers can upload their recorded teaching videos here, and children in Childkit Foundation can access it and learn from the video provided by the teacher. We created this website as a platform to help us on Childkit children as our target audience. We hope that our platform could help the children to have access for their education needs. The children can learn easily through the website. Children in Childkit Foundation can access it and learn from the video provided by the teacher. We can choose teaching material suitable for children through our screening. There are the features and strength of products.